Ever wonder what happens when you resist the urge to sneeze? Today, we're diving into the quirky world of sneezes and what hilariously bizarre things happen when you try to keep them locked in. Stick around as we uncover 10 funny sneeze-stopping secrets that may just blow your mind. First up, let's talk eardrums. These delicate membranes are crucial for hearing, translating sound waves into signals our brains can understand. Imagine a mosh pit breaking out in there. The chaos, the energy, all that movement, it's a wild scene. That's what happens when you trap a sneeze. All that pressure builds up and those poor eardrums might just say sayonara with a pop. It's like a mini explosion inside your head.